Jack E4 direct drive overlock sewing machine. A quieter, more versatile, more efficient overlock. Equipped with new table design, perfect fusion of colors, feel the visual impact of technology and design. Let the user enjoy the ultimate experience of E4. We consider the installation of equipment consuming a lot of time. Combine the machine head, electric control, operation panel, easy to use, save labor and time. Joint human body thumb wheel anti-skid design. Light engine torque. Large wind hand wheel works fan. Effectively reduce the machine body temperature to avoid many problems due to machine high temperature. Make machine under the best operation situation. We also improve from energy's consumption. With new clutch device, more energy saving province electricity. We adopted advanced oil spill prevention technology. Hold close the needle bar and unique oil absorption cap ring design. Extreme oil control, strong return oil. Effectively solve the sewing of fabric the pollution caused by oil. Avoid the cycle time, material consumption. More sealing treatment to completely eliminate oil leakage. Create infinite possibility for efficiency. In addition to considering humanized design, we pay more attention to your operation experience when you use machine. 27mm the height of the preset foot increase operating space. Effectively solve the inconvenience when sewing fitting. Machine has a wider adaptability from the fabric's expected thick. Easy sewing at the same time to ensure the beautiful stitch. Embedded chassis type LED lamp design. Not only can adjust the brightness is more effective to avoid the phenomenon of hanging. Increase accurate digital display screen display function for a more smoothly sewing. Jack E4 direct drive overlock sewing machine. Create unlimited interests for customers. Integrated interpretation Jack bring you experience of science and technology.